Easy left. Go, stay straight. On the gas, on the gas, on the gas. Just easy right and easy left. Almost nothing. You don't need to worry. Stay on the gas, on the gas, on the gas. There you go. Very straight. Easy right. On the gas. Good.
Come on, little car. We need more than 65.
Yeah. You have a hard left here. Into the hard left. Check up here. Hard left. There you go. You're good. You're good. On the gas. On the gas. You're good. You're good. Tightens up here. Good job. Stay left. On the gas. On the gas.
I'm going to go on and up, gas a couple times to make sure the clutch is actually...
Cool. No problem. Very straight, as far as I can see.
Fan, everything's on?
Say again?
The fan's on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have a 90 left here, rounded 90 left, pretty tight actually. Straightens out. Now we're just going to run down the valley. Clear over rise, clear over rise. You're on it. Easy right, but stay on the gas, on the gas. Good job. We took a little easy right, left. No big deal. Right, left. Good job. Go through the cattle guard, straight into a hard right. See? Okay. Hard right, 90 right here. Good job. See right? More right, right. Good job. Left to right.